Yes, I hit him! Oh! Oh, yes!
I'm gonna try to get one more shot in.
Bird dog. Oh, I totally! Did you see that? I did a bang.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Bounced straight out of my lightsaber. Did you catch it on video?
Nope.
Sucks. You're a lousy person.
Actually, I might have, but I don't think you did.
You did. It was awesome.
As you can see, he's too into his game to make any response.
Jeremy, the only reason I died is because he was yelling at me and you used that extra move. You got bam! Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Day 2 of the expedition.
It's not.
So what? Oh, I didn't do it!
I'm safe now.
Crap!
Come on, guys! We need to finish this over!
Barricade it!
Can he lock his door?
No.
Here, let me just shoot out.
That's the end
Dang
of
it.
today.